Hello, it's Amy Dabell, your Norwex Independent Consultant. I hope you guys are having a great day. This video is going to be a little different than my normal videos because I am sharing the Norwex Opportunity. Right now, there's something amazing happening at Norwex. We've experienced some tremendous growth. We're in more and more homes every day. And this has been life-changing for me. I have been a Norwex consultant for about a year and a half. The first 6 months, I was also working a full-time, very stressful corporate job. And then I decided to resign and retire early just to do Norwex full-time. And the reason why I became a consultant in the beginning was purely like a personal motivation. I just wanted the discount. I had been learning about all of the toxic chemicals and the products I had been using in the home, around my family, around my pets, and I was learning how harmful they were, and they had in fact been contributing to some issues that my family was going through, some health issues. And the more I learned, the more I knew that I needed to detox my life, right? Detox how I was cleaning and the personal care stuff. And so for me, it made sense to become a consultant because I knew that I would want the Norwex products, which provide us with a sustainable way of life that has safe and effective cleaning solutions. So I became a consultant mainly for the discount in the beginning. Now I've saved hundreds, almost 1,000 in just cleaning products that I haven't had to buy in a year and a half. But then I fell in love with it after using the product more and more, and I started sharing it with others. And so now I have an amazing team. I have, I think, 77 people on my team, and I learned about a special that Norwex is having right now, which is truly an incredible opportunity for anyone who wants to overhaul their cleaning routine, detox their home, get a great discount, and share it with the people that you care about too. So right now, it's December 6th, 2021, and now through December 15th, 2021 at noon Central Time, you can join Norwex for free. No strings attached, no monthly fees, no dues. We never have that anyway. But right now is a special opportunity because you can join completely free and get 40% off the things that you want and need. And normally our discount is 35% off, which is still amazing. And with the free startup option, nothing is sent to you, but you have the ability to order and purchase at your 40% off. And then once you get, or if you get $1,000 in retail sales in 30 days or $2,000 in 90 days, then you get this amazing starter kit for free. Now there's another way to join as well, which is $9.99, and you can get this $9.99, and you can get the starter kit from day one. So I want to show you what's in the starter kit. This is just like the kit I received when I became a consultant, and it had everything in it that I needed. So it contains the catalogs, a Norwex bag to carry all your goodies in. It also contains the full-size mop, which is our new, I'm going to turn my camera around, which is our new graphite mop, and the wet and dry mop pad. It contains an entire, pretty much a Safe Haven 5, which is also known as our Fab 5. It's the window cloth, the Enviro cloth, the dust mitt, 3 of our body and face cloths, which is the only way I take makeup off or clean anymore is with the body and face cloths. And that's another story. I've saved so much money on facial products. The rubber brush, which is a great addition when you're using your dry mop pad or getting dog hair off of a couch like I have to do all the time. Some cleaning paste and a starter laundry detergent. So that's our starter kit. In addition, in the starter kit are some amazing party cards which give you step-by-step how to share Norwex. So how to talk about it, here they are. How to, and they go from 1 through whatever. So if you ever did want to have a party, like I eventually did, you have everything you need and what to say and how to answer questions right in front of you, all laid out. In fact, I'm standing here a year and a half later, and to this day, I still have my party cards hanging on my wall from when I first started. And so from time to time when I'm doing these videos or I'm having an online party, I'll look up at those cards and I'll stay focused, which is great. So right now there's 2 ways to join. The first way is join for free and immediately get a 40% discount or earn 40% commission on any sales that you have. Or you can give that discount to your family to help them detox their home as well. Or you can join with the $9.99 starter option. And with that option, you are still getting the 40% in December 2021, but you'll get the starter kit that I just shared with you, which has all these amazing things in it. Now, if you do the free option, that's fine, because if by chance you have $1,000 in personal sales or 1,030 or 2,090, you end up getting this box anyway. And that's kind of easy to do if you're sharing it with some of your friends and family, because that is the retail price. That's not your price. So if you had $1,000 in sales right now in December, that's only $600. So quite achievable. And you'll be surprised how many people you know who, once they discover this, they want in on it, right? They want to eliminate the toxins in their home. And once you go down that rabbit hole and start learning all about what we're using or what we've been using and how harmful it is, and the headaches and the respiratory stuff, and it's an easy decision to go with a greener, more sustainable option. So this is just me sharing this with you. And if you want to talk about it more, message me, comment below, and let me know. I would love to share this amazing gift with you and your family. And whether you do it for the discount or do it to have an occasional party or share with your friends and family, I will be here to support you every step of the way. That is one of my favorite parts of my job, is helping others succeed in this business. Even when in my corporate job, I helped others be successful in their careers. So that is what I'm passionate about. And so think about it and let me know. The offer to join for free, no strings attached in either way, but the offer to join for free right now with your 40% off goes through December 15th, 2021 at noon Central Time. So if you've ever had this in the back of your mind, or maybe you want to have parties and make a couple extra $100 a month. Either way, there's no quotas or anything like that at Norwex, which makes this a very flexible business. So have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions at all, and I will see you again real soon. Bye, guys.